This is where we're going, Boleros. Oh, it's roped off. Roped off, waiting for us. They're getting it ready, look. Oh, they got water and everything. So yeah, so what's it called, this thing?
Taste of the Caribbean.
Taste of the Caribbean. So we're going to that. And I don't know how many people are going. So there's as many as at the bar there. So
Oh yeah, before we got on board, and from now on I can't drink alcohol anymore. So you want to cancel? Can I cancel it? Oh, I might cancel.
Or because most of the drinks has alcohol.
Yeah.
how much rum's in that one?
No, I can't drink
I don't want to do that one. So
Oh,
I'm just gonna cancel. My name is Romel, all the way from the Philippines. All right, and I'm the lead bartender on this bar and the happenor. And together this class, I'm with my 3 colleagues. All right, I'm with Rosel, of course, from the Philippines. Also I'm with Joseph on the phone. So hardworking, imagine. You know? Joseph, all the way from India. And another one is our videographer for today. Okay, used to be a videographer, bar server, bartender, multiple job. Okay, so yeah, this is Reynaldo. So today we will going to Caribbean. Okay, but before we fly to Caribbean, did you bring your passport? No.
No.
How are we gonna go to Caribbean? Anyway, we don't need that one. So let me bring Caribbean to you guys. Okay, by making all the Caribbean drinks. So today we're making 6 different cocktails, which is very famous in Caribbean. Any one of you been in Caribbean here before?
Yes.
Have you? Okay, Caribbean. So you have already maybe idea how's the Caribbean taste. Anyway, those cocktail, you can order it on board. That's a signature cocktail for Caribbean. Guys, are you alright here? There, you can hear me. Nice and good. Okay, just let me know, yeah, if you have any questions. Okay, our first drink and first country we're gonna visit is Bahamas. Okay, our first cocktail is a Bombay Smash. Okay, if you dance cruising in Caribbean, this Bombay Smash is one of the fast moving. Now, it's like this. So I don't want you, like you don't gonna reach your dinner later. I want you to reach your dinner, okay? Okay, just a trivia guys. You know Bahamas consists of 700 different islands. Imagine, Bahamas is very small and has 700 islands. Similar to Philippines. Philippines has 726 islands to be exact. Okay? So if you have a chance to visit Philippines, you can choose what island you want to visit. Okay, anybody of you been in the Philippines here? No?
Yeah.
In the Philippines? Manila? So, if you are like a light drinker,
Oh, thank you very
strong
much. Yeah.
cocktail, this cocktail is for you.
Good job.
Because it's a balance of sweet. Hey, give me a shot.
Are you in one too?
Yes,
Oh.
that's why I love doing this tasting, man. That's the only time I can work and drink at the same time. Hopefully, I can do this one every day. Unfortunately, it's only once a week. Alright guys, let's try it. Okay, cheers.
Cheers.
See, I'm working and drinking.
Oh, that's nice.
It's very light, right?
Oh, that's beautiful.
Myers dark rum. Okay, this dark rum, and then we gonna use pineapple juice. Okay, 1 ounces, grenadine, orange juice, and lime juice. This is like kind of similar to Bombay Smash, but we just gonna add some color. Alright, but this one is a bit stronger to Bombay Smash because we're gonna use pure dark rum. Dark rum is more strong flavor. Okay, if you're gonna compare the regular white rum to dark rum, white rum is just like how do you say it? White rum is like one flavor, but dark rum they have a lot of flavor also. All right. So this planter punch, we have a lot of punch cocktail, but this is the first punch cocktail, like evolution. Okay, this is created in Jamaican planters wine. Okay, like one of the plants in Jamaica. Okay, the owner of that one, the wife, created this drink for their employee. Okay, because in Jamaica it's too hot. So she wants to help all his employees to quench their thirsty. See? Okay, so far, which one is your favorite? The first one or the second one?
First one.
Okay guys, our third drink. So we done the planter punch. I know it's a little bit strong, but this time we're going back to moderate.
Oh.
It's not strongest. Okay, and I believe this third drink, you're gonna love it. Especially if you feel any pain in your body.
It's a painkiller.
They created this cocktail to remove those pain. Okay, hopefully it will it will be effective to you. Okay, our third drink, we call it painkiller. Okay, so painkiller. So painkiller is very famous in Caribbean, but they concoct or they create painkiller. It depends to their standard. Painkiller on board, especially in Royal Caribbean standard, we don't put coconut milk. But if you're able to order painkiller in Caribbean, they're gonna add coconut milk. Okay, our recipe for painkiller. Okay, we're using Passer rum. This is one of a good rum. It's a dark rum also. Alright, it's a 3 years old dark rum, and it's a product of Guyana in Caribbean. Okay, so 1.5 ounces of Passer rum. We're gonna put pineapple juice. This is a little bit fruity than the usual. Okay, we use coconut syrup instead of coconut milk. Okay, because coconut syrup is easy to maintain, especially the taste. Okay, add some orange juice and a garnish of nutmeg. So nutmeg is add, you know, the aroma of this cocktail. Just kidding. I'm just kidding. They're all nice. Oh man, I love this job, man.
Is this your last shift?
The bottom, yeah. The passer needs to rub.
This one's got to be Papa Jack. Yeah, Papa Jack. Tom Cruise. Oh, nearly.
Yay! Oh, look, he's had a couple of drinks and now he's bloody few more drinks. I'm gonna juggle this one.
You notice the bottle was empty too.
That's why I have a card to flip this one because it's empty.
Yeah.
I don't have to pay when I break it. It is Virgin Island. Let's move to Puerto Rico. Alright, Puerto Rico. We're gonna use this Bacardi rum. This Bacardi is made from Puerto Rico. And then the cocktail that we're going to create is Papa Jack. Some of you have tried this Papa Jack, right?
Yeah, I love Papa Jack.
Papa Jack, okay. This Papa Jack is very easy to make. Alright, just 2 ounces of Bacardi white rum. So Bacardi has a different flavor. They have Bacardi lemon, Bacardi oak heart, which is spice rum. Okay, and Bacardi 8 años, it means 8 years. Alright? Okay, we have Bacardi 8 here, but we don't carry any more Bacardi lemon, like lemon flavor.
Where's the 151 at?
Which one?
Where's the 151?
151, no, we stopped carrying because the alcohol content is too high. So, okay, 2 ounces of this one, 1 ounce of passion fruit, and 1 ounce of lime juice. So this one is very easy to make. And the taste is so refreshing. Alright, if you go to order this one, this is how it looks like. Okay, on the rock glass. Okay, so and then this drink, you know that this drink is since 1992. It became a festival drink in Puerto Rico, in San Juan. San Juan is a capital of Puerto Rico. Alright? And then if you're able to cruise or visit Puerto Rico, okay, you must book excursion in Bacardi Distillery. Because Bacardi Distillery is located in Puerto Rico. Drinks, but don't drink it yet. There's still missing ingredients. Okay, our fifth drink, we call it rum punch.
Rum punch.
Okay, this rum punch is originated in Barbados. Alright, and the alcohol is, we're gonna use Bacardi Superior. You met this one already. Captain Morgan. Captain Morgan is a spice rum. And then, of course, the Bees.
Oh,
Rock and rum.
Three rum.
So we have 3 rum on top. Don't taste it yet. And then we have a fruity passion fruit. Okay. We have guava syrup, pineapple juice, and lime juice. This is very fruity, but be careful because it has a kick on it.
for what?
I remember
has a kick.
she asked me what is my favorite place in Caribbean. And I answered her it's Barbados. Why Barbados? Because I have some experience in Barbados when I was there. Because you know in Caribbean, when you visit Caribbean, especially Barbados, because Barbados is like, it's where the rum started. Okay? Like the first rum created is in Barbados. So most of the place in every single corner in Barbados, they're making, right? And then you can buy a bottle of rum for just $4 in Barbados. And one time, okay, I went out of the shore of Barbados, I ordered rum punch. Okay, and then the bartender served me the cocktail glass like this, and I saw he's pouring. Okay, he's pouring rum like this and the juice like that. That's the best experience. Because I have to call my friend to bring me back on the ship. That's why, you know, if someday you have a chance to visit Barbados, be careful if you're ordering drinks outside the bar. Because the rum there is very cheap. It's more cheaper than the water. So this cocktail is originated in Bermuda. Okay, there's only 2 ingredients to make this cocktail. Very easy. One is the ginger beer, and then the second one is the Bermuda rum, which is the Gosling.
Ooh,
Alright, there's only 2 ingredients.
dark and stormy.
It's like a Tabasco in it.